In today's video, we're taking a look at how to make your own DIY face shield. Easy and simple. This is so simple, anyone could do it. Everything that we use on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description and related topics as well. In our previous video, we did face mask and we had you looking like a ninja. On this video, you just got upgraded. Now you're a ninja with a face shield. And these are the things that you're gonna need: scissors, a box cutter, or a knife, or a razor blade, anything to make a hole on plastic. We're gonna need something to tie your mask, like shoelaces, a ribbon, a rope, whatever you have available. We're gonna use window or door seal, which is self-adhesive, but you can use whatever you want. You can use a piece of rag with duct tape, or you can hot glue it, or use any kind of tape, a piece of foam, a piece of pool noodle. It's just anything that could provide comfort to your forehead and also distance from your forehead to the plastic. And here comes the most important thing: an empty bottle. A 2-liter and clear would be the best, preferably. So those bottles you have hidden away in that upper cabinet in the corner are finally gonna get used for something else than de-stressing. Here are the places where we want to make the cut. From the top line to the cap, we want to go halfway. And at the bottom, we want to go from the line to the bottom of the bottle to the halfway point. Using our box cutter, razor blade, or knife, we're gonna puncture the bottle, so it could be easier to use our scissors to cut all the way around. And remember, when using sharp, pointy things, you want to be safe, because the last thing you want on a clear sunny day is to die. And especially before you build the face shield to protect you from the other thing that could kill you. And don't worry if you don't cut it straight. Here at the StatUpBox team, we encourage mistakes. You can always straighten that later. And remember, mistakes show that they were homemade. Let's go ahead and cut the bottle where the sticker was, or if your bottle has a seam, we want to go ahead and cut it there. Now we're halfway there. Always remember to round off the corners. We want to cut a strip of the sealer to the size of your forehead or to the intended forehead. If you're doing this for somebody else, about 8 inches should be enough. But if you're doing this for your brother and sister, you know you might have to add a couple of more inches. Or for that cousin we all know. If using a piece of cloth or rag, you can cut the cloth to size and tape it or hot glue gun it to the plastic. Now we want to make 2 holes so we can place the ribbons, and we want to place the holes the closest to the sealer as possible. You could do the hole with the box cutter, with a knife, with a hot nail, or with a hole puncher. And we do this because when measuring the face mask on the individual that's going to wear it or yourself, you don't want to cut the excess and then have to cut the hole away. We can place the ribbons inside the hole and make 2 knots, and we place the knots on the inside. We want to go ahead and do this on the other side as well. Now finding the midway point of the ribbon, shoelace, rope, or string, we cut it in half. Your mask is practically done, but if you want to adjust it to one certain person and you're sure that nobody else is going to use it, or then we can go ahead and cut off the excess. We can go ahead and mark it here for reference and go ahead and cut. Always remember to round off the corners. And now you're ready to protect yourself and others. You know, here at the StatUpBox team, we love you guys. We really care about you and we want you to be safe. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.